grain barge, Stevens. Looking back to the right, you can see that orange ship. I call it a mini ship, the Coastal Venture. And let's come back and look inside on the dashboard of our boat. See if we have any information from the GPS. There we go. Let me drag it up a little bit. See, it says Coastal Venture. Let me tap it. There you go, Coastal Venture. Let me get some more information. More information. That didn't work. Let's go back. And let's try it again. Review. AIS vessel. There we go. There's all the information about the AIS vessel. You can see it's 75 meters long, 13 meters wide. Bearing is 3 degrees magnetic from where we are right now. And you can look up here on our magnetic compass and see it's back over my right hand shoulder. And you can look back on the GPS again. See a little bit more information. 8 degrees magnetic, speed is 0. So that's how an AIS works. In this case, the ship is docked. Let me cancel that screen or go back. Go back. And I'll go back. And now you can see that we're moving on down the waterway, the Intercoastal Waterway, south of Charleston, South Carolina. If you have any questions about AIS, radars, or GPS, remember, ask Captain Chris.